momentous occasion in front of this huge crowd and honorable teachers. So I would like to represent myself. I'm Mohammad Tawfiq Kabir, studying in 7th semester, Textile Engineering College. And I'm going to represent a growing industry and an article which is based on recycling the textile in sustainable ways. Here we are like this. 10% of, first of all, first 2 minutes I'm going to explain why we have to do this and what are the drawbacks. And the second 2 minutes I'm going to talk about the solutions and what we're going to do, the consequences. And the last 2 minutes I'm going to conclude all the things that I've talked about. So, here we are like this. 10% of global greenhouse gas has been emitted from textile industry alone. And 92 million tons of textile waste produced annually. And from them, 85% is being directly discarded in the landfills. 100 billion garments produced each and every year. 20% is being collected as recycling, and just 1% textile is being recycled. And can you imagine that this unfathomable amount of textile that we create, and that is being significantly creating an impact, deep impact in the nature and the environment. Now we're going to talk about carbon footprints, which is for a single person in an annual year, which is 400 million meters square of land, 391 kg of raw materials, and 9 cubic meter of water is being wasted and is being polluted because of textile industry. It's just 1 year and just a single person do this. And 270 kgs of carbon footprints is being produced by a single person annually. And I'm going to talk about what is the carbon footprint. 1 kg of fabric, just 1 kg of fabric produced 23 kg of carbon footprints. What is carbon footprints? I'm going to explain. Carbon footprints is a number which is significantly described that how much carbon dioxide is being produced each and every year. I'm giving an example of the shipbreaking industry. Shipbreaking industry is touching $2.47 billion until now, 2024. And why I'm giving this example? Yes, shipbreaking industry is toxic. It's a menace for our environment, but it's an opportunity for us because we are getting too much money, and Bangladesh is a pioneer. Bangladesh is a pioneer in this shipbreaking industry. As long as we can shift to textile industry and the recycling process, if we can jump into this untapped market of recycling textile waste, it will be a huge opportunity for us because we have enormous amount of workforce and 70% of the working people who are actually women and children, which is a fact. Which is a big fact that we cannot jump into this atmosphere right now. But if we can subsidize, if we can train them, if we can make them skilled, it will be a huge opportunity for us to jump into this untapped market. And now we're going to talk about the global textile waste management market. It's valued 11.7 billion in 2024, and it is going to surge to 23.31 billion. In 2024, it's approximate and it's possible for right now in Bangladesh. So I'm gonna can I give 1 minute? Now I'm gonna talk about the solutions. The solution is I've made some stuff which can be recycled just from one cargo pants. I've created 2 samples. I've given participated to the presented to the audience, to the teachers today. And what is the solution? Like fast fashion, this growing fast fashion is being the main problem of this global textile waste management. Why we have to do this? The fast fashion, producing, following the trends, and that's why we are jumping into this finance problem. And what is the solution? Thrifted cloths and the personalized cloth. I have turned the cargo pants into personalized cloth. It can be called as thrifted cloths, as long as it has a personalized cloth that can be used as many purpose. Like I've used those apparels in in my cycle, so to carry out the things when I go to travel somewhere else. So social media, the last point, social media trends. Like I'm planning to make an app which is gonna be forced on the traceability and what the fabric, how long you can use it, and what will be the consequences, how you can track down the textiles that you are using it each and every year, and how you can use it in the next cycle. So thanks for giving me the opportunity to talk about this thing, and hoping for a better future for Bangladesh.
Thank you for your nice presentation. From my point of view, can you please explain about what is circular economy?
Circular economy, it's already adapted to H&M's data, which is collecting the fabrics and collecting in their own cloths. Actually, they were going to collect all the cloths and they were going to recycle them once again. So for bigger apparels or dynamic apparels.
So you make a product.
Yeah.
So what we will call reduce, reuse, or recycle?
It's reuse actually.
Okay. Actually, it is called upcycling product.
Yeah, it's a post-consumer textile waste actually.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sophie, for a nice presentation and board for me. Now, my topic would be, you have category of recycling and decomposing textile waste. What is the sustainable decomposing system in textile waste? What is the sustainable decomposition system?
Sir, sustainable decomposition, actually Bangladesh is already adapting to technology-based recycling process, but we are still not in the chemical decomposition or something like that. We are still not in that process, or we don't have any skilled workers or that facility or that industry which actually go for those things. We're still not lagging behind.
Okay. My next question, in your college campus, do you have any initiative to aware the students, colleagues, or teachers to recycling?
Yes, actually, I've talked to the batchmates and I've told them that the textile that you are going to use, you have to take the responsibility. I have created a concept which is textile waste management footprint. I've written an article on that, actually, TWN footprint, which is upcycling the textiles that we use. We will take the responsibility that we will use, and we have to reuse it as long as we can, as long as we can, that's it.